When you need a good amount of time to answer discussion questions, we highly recommend that you compose your answer in Microsoft Word and save a Word file on your computer. Then you will work on your discussion response offline using Microsoft Word. After you have completed your discussion response in Microsoft Word, copy your answer from the Microsoft Word file to a discussion topic. This tutorial shows you how to copy discussion questions from Blackboard to a Microsoft Word file. Accessing discussions can be from the discussions link on the navigation bar, a folder, or a learning module. This tutorial shows you how to access a discussion topic from the navigation bar. Click on Discussions link on the navigation bar. You see the discussion questions on the description box of a discussion topic. Click on the discussion topic. You see the full questions on the description box. To copy the questions, highlight the questions and right-click on the highlighted questions. Select Copy. You can also copy the text by using Ctrl+C keys on your keyboard. Then you open Microsoft Word with a blank file. Click on the file, select Paste. You can also paste the text by using Ctrl+V keys on your keyboard. To save the file, go to File, select Save As. Locate the folder where you would like to save the file. Type a file name and click on Save. The file with the discussion questions is saved to your computer. You may close the Word file entirely. To work on your discussion response, go to the File Explorer. Look for the folder where the file is saved. Double-click on the file to open. Then you will work on your discussion response.